Motherfucker, she hung up on me.
Hello?
Hello. I got a
Hello?
I got a
Yeah.
call. Who's this?
Yeah. When did you receive the call?
Like 9:30.
Okay, well, sir, you are speaking with a senior officer, J.F. Johnson. Who am I talking to?
This is Lucas.
I'm sorry?
Lucas?
Give me a moment.
Okay.
Okay, meanwhile, sir, you can grab a pen and piece of paper.
Okay. All right.
Just give me a couple of seconds, sir.
Okay.
Lucas Vendikar, am I correct?
Correct.
Okay, so are you still residing at 3426 Rocker Avenue?
Yes.
Okay, so in the first place, you can have my name,
Okay.
J.F. Johnson,
Jeff Johnson. Okay.
with a batch ID number IRM
Okay.
9436201.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, and did you receive any letter from the IRS?
No, I haven't. I've been on vacation though. I was out of the country for a few months.
Which month?
I just got back a week ago.
Last month, right?
Yeah, last month and the month before I was out of the country.
I believe you went for your vacation last month in the first week.
Yes.
Yeah, because of that you missed the letter. We have delivered you a letter on 6th July last month.
Oh, okay. Must have got returned or something.
So you can write on that 6th July
Okay.
2017, which is on Friday.
2017. So that was last year, huh?
Sorry. 2018. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay.
That is on Friday.
Okay.
With a two letter 1040 from along with a certified letter.
Did so what's going on? What happened? What's wrong? Or what's
Okay, and did you receive your case number?
No, I don't this is the first I'm hearing about it. I don't know anything.
Okay, you write down your case number.
Okay.
CP5462.
CP5462.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Okay, and between 2012 to 2016, who prepared your tax file?
My tax accountant, Schlong and Sachs, they're out of Seattle.
Your tax accountant.
Yeah, they're a tax firm out of Seattle, Washington.
Okay, see, sir, we call you to ascertain your attorney information that there are some legal allegation and a lawsuit is being filed against your name by the Internal Revenue. So
Okay.
are you aware about the situation at this moment?
No, let me get my lawyer's card out here.
That means you have a lawyer.
Yeah, I have a
It's a
tax
criminal
accountant.
lawyer.
I have a tax accountant and a lawyer. I have a business lawyer. He takes care of all my
Yeah, I know
business.
that. See, Mr. Lucas, I know that your accountant prepare your tax file, but you have to understand one thing over here, sir. See, the accountant prepare your tax file under your name, under your authorization, and under your signature. And sir, you are ultimately responsible for all the information in returns. That's the reason we are calling you. If not, who can call your tax accountant? I can provide your accountant information. But at this point of time, the tax is being written under your name. The case is under your name. That's the reason we are calling you today, sir.
So you need Schlong and Sachs, the tax guy's information, or what?
Yes, this is due to the matter of the tax evasion and tax fraud. That's correct, sir.
All right. The
For the year 2012 or 2016.
the tax firm is called Schlong and Sachs, and the number is 206. That's the area code in Seattle. 418.
This is the extension line, sir.
This is the actual account. This is my tax accountant's information. That's what you wanted, right?
So, what is your intention at this moment, sir? Are you willing to rectify the situations, or
You just said you
want
needed.
to?
You just said you needed my tax accountants, and you needed to obtain my tax accountant's information. So I'm giving it to you.
No, no,
I
no,
don't know
no, no,
what you're
no.
talking
We don't
about.
have.
Why do you?
See, no, no. I'm not
So
talking
here it
about. No,
is.
I'm not talking. I'm not saying that. I don't have anything to do with your accountant at this moment, okay?
Then why did you ask for
Because
his information? You said you needed to attain my tax accountant's information. You just
no, no,
said
no.
that.
I'm.
Did you not say that?
See, I didn't say that. You have misunderstood me. See,
What did you
what I'm
say?
saying is that I say that your tax accountant has been prepared a tax file under
Correct.
your name, under your authorization.
Yes.
That's the reason the case is under your name, and you are responsible for all the information in returns. Am I
Correct.
correct?
Yes.
That's why we're calling you right now.
So why did you say you needed to attain my tax accountant's information?
No, no, no. I'm not asking you that.
Okay. Well, I have it if you need it. So what do you need?
See, between the year 2012 and 2016, when we conduct an audit on a tax file,
What
we
about a duck?
found we held a random audit every after 5 years. Okay.
What you said
So
something
when
about
we
a duck though.
see, we held a random audit every after 5 years
Okay.
for all the citizenships of the United States of our country.
Yeah, I am a
So,
citizen.
so when we conduct a random audit on a tax file for the year 2012 to 2016, we found a several numerical miscalculations error. That means the tax which you file does not file with the correct appropriate amount. It does
Copy.
not match with the government records we have.
Copy. So
That's the
what's off?
reason
What's off? What's
that
not right?
on your 1040 form line number 7 does not match with a W2 form we the government has.
From which year though?
For the year 2012 to 16.
So every year line 7 was off? Every
Yes,
single all 5 years
yes,
line 7 was off?
yes. And the outstanding under your name,
Just
which
line
includes a
7?
pending,
What's on line 7? What is
yes.
line 7? What is line 7?
Then under 1040 from line number 7, where you have to mention your salaries and wages.
Yeah.
So that does not match with a W2 form with the government we have.
Oh. You guys might have the wrong form. I'm the third. I'm the third one in my family. I have my father has the same name, and so does my grandfather. So maybe you got the wrong dude. I don't know. But you have my address on file though, right? Because they don't live with me.
See, before the phone call, I told you that we have delivery later, but on that day, you told me that you went for your vacation holiday.
I was
That's
already
the
on.
reason you missed the letter.
I was long gone. Yeah, I was gone for like a month at that point. I
So
just
that's
got
the
back.
reason you missed the letter.
Yeah.
And right now, your letter has been bounced back to the headquarters in Federal Claim Courthouse, Washington, D.C.
Right. So what do I need to do?
So,
Should I call Schlong and Sachs and see if they can forward that information to you guys, or what do I need to do?
right now, you have to cancel your warrant arrest and
So I just
remove
call?
all the.
Do I just call them and say, let's
Yes,
cancel this? Do I call
you have to
911 or do I call, who do I call? Do I just say, hey, this is Lucas, can you cancel my arrest warrant?
cancel your arrest warrant. I'm giving you two options, either inside the courthouse or outside of the courthouse.
Okay.
Inside the Federal Claim Courthouse or outside of the courthouse.
Copy. Okay, so what do I do?
So I'm asking you, you want to rectify this situation outside of the courthouse or inside the courthouse by
I don't know
hiring a
what
criminal
that
attorney?
means. I don't even know what that means. I don't know what any of that means. Like, inside or outside? What do you mean? I have to go to the courthouse either way, right?
If you resolve this matter inside the courthouse, you have to hire a criminal attorney and come to the Federal Claim Courthouse, Washington, D.C.
I have
But
a
if you have
criminal
any
attorney for my business, but why do I have to do that? Like, why can't we just, like, how much do I even, what do I owe? What do I owe you
so
guys?
listen to me. So no, you don't owe to me. You owe to the government.
So then why are you calling me if I don't owe any money? Do you guys owe me money?
No, you owe to the government a
I
money.
just asked you how much I owe.
You owe $8,120, which
Oh my
includes a pending
God.
taxes, legal charges, and a late fees.
8,120
Yes.
US?
Yes, that's the
Oh
reason a warrant
Jesus.
arrest has been issued under your name.
That's
And we, the
crazy.
internal revenue, have decided to recover all this amount from you by involving the IRS code 6331H against you. That means they will mark a lien on your assets, including your house, car, and all the properties under your name. Your driving license would
I
be
just
cancelled,
bought that
all your
house.
non-bank account would be frozen, and all your wages and benefit would be seized by informing your employer and the government bodies that you are affiliated with.
But they can't touch my Bitcoin, right? Because that's all anonymous.
So just tell me directly on this recorded line that you are going to resolve this case or you want to fight this case against the government.
I don't know what that means, but I don't want to have to get my lawyer involved if I don't have to.
So that means if you are not going to hire a criminal attorney, that means you are willing to resolve this matter outside of the courthouse, right?
Yeah, like, do I have to go? Do I just meet him outside or what? Like out front? Is there like a is there a window out there or something? Like a carry out
So in
type
order to
window?
in order to resolve this matter outside of the courthouse and to cancel your warrant arrest, you have to go physically.
That's what I'm saying. Like which do I go to the the one in Salem or the one in Eugene or the one in Seattle or the one I don't Salem? Like which one do I which courthouse?
In a federal claim courthouse, Washington, D.C. So
I have to
to
go to
resolve this
Washington
matter
D.C.
outside, I'm asking you that either you want to go or you don't want to go.
I don't want to go, but you said I have to meet him outside of it, the courthouse, which is in Washington D.C. Either way, I have to go
No,
to
to
Washington
rectify,
D.C., right?
to rectify this situation outside of the courthouse, it will be resolved through an electronic federal tax payment system.
Well, why don't you say that? You make it sound like I have to go to the courthouse. You said I
No,
have
no,
to
no, no,
go
no.
outside the court, like right out front. You make it sound like I have to go there and then just meet someone out front and just hand them a wallet or whatever. I don't know what you're talking about. You need to be a little more
Okay, so
specific here.
do we have these funds with you to rectify this situation
No,
outside of the
not on
courthouse?
me. Who has that kind of cash on them?
All right, so that's not an issue. But today you have to show a good faithful amount to the government to prove as an evidence that you have a good positive intention to resolve this case.
Do you take Bitcoin?
I'm sorry?
Do you guys take Bitcoin?
What coins?
Bitcoin,
Bitcoins.
cryptocurrency, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Do you take that as payment? Because if so, I can pay all of it right now. If not, I do
Yes,
not
sir.
have that amount.
Yes, sir.
You do. Okay.
Yes.
Perfect. So let's pay. I'll pay the whole 8,120, which it comes to 1.12 Bitcoin.
Yes, sir.
I
We
just
can
need
do
to
that.
know which account do I transfer the Bitcoin to. I just need that.
You want to transfer?
Yeah, the 1.12 Bitcoins comes to 8,120. Comes to 8,122, but I can't round that number down. But I need to know which account to send the Bitcoin to.
Okay, so what
I
banks you
need
are
to.
banking with?
We're talking about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. That has nothing to do with my bank. It's not in my bank. It's a cryptocurrency you said you take. I
Yes.
just need to know your Bitcoin wallet number and I will send it. Do you understand what I'm saying? Are we on
Yes,
the
sir.
same page?
Yes, I understand that, sir.
Okay. So what's the Bitcoin wallet number?
Hold the line for a moment.
Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Can you convert Bitcoins?
That's what I'm asking. Like, if I can send it.
You can convert, right?
What do you mean? Like from Bitcoin to Litecoin to Ethereum or what?
Coins convert into a dollar.
Yeah, but it takes about 5 to 7 business days to transfer into my account.
I'm sorry?
It takes 5 to 7 business days to transfer into my Chase account. It's not immediate.
Seven,
It's not immediate. It takes 5 to 7 days to transfer.
seven to
That's what I'm
five to
saying. I could
seven.
send it to you right now, and it'll be
That
instantly
means
in your
how,
account.
sir? See, we cannot hold your arrest warrant until up to that. Okay? You have to cancel the arrest warrant on this immediate basis,
So you don't take
so that
Bitcoin.
I can.
So you don't take Bitcoin.
If you convert, it will be better for you, so that I can provide you the further instruction.
So
What
in
you
other
have to do,
words,
where you have to go.
you do not take Bitcoin because this makes no sense to me. You said you take Bitcoin, but you won't give me your Bitcoin wallet number to transfer the Bitcoin.
Okay.
You want me to transfer it
Okay.
to my account, which means you don't take Bitcoin, which means you need cash. If you need cash, just say it. I have money on my credit card, but I don't have 8,120. I only have about
No,
5,000.
I'm not asking. See, I'm not asking this $8,120 to pay over the phone call. Okay, you are not going to make a payment over the phone call. The payment will be done at a doorstep, physically, with all the paperwork, with all the documentation. Once you cancel the warrant arrest,
So they're coming
I
to
will
my
make an
house.
appointment for you.
They're
Yes, I will
coming
make an
over.
appointment for you. Yes, I'm going to send my representative at the doorstep with all
Fine.
the
When are they
paperwork.
going to be here? Because I'm going on vacation again real soon.
I'm sorry.
When are they going to be here? Because I'm leaving on vacation again in 3 days. I'm going to be gone again for about 6 weeks.
As per your convenient time.
What's that?
As per your convenient time.
I have no idea what you just said.
Okay, in that case, hold the line for a moment and have a word with my senior officers. Okay.
Okay. Yo, Mish. Thanks for the 10 ski. It's fucking awesome. That converts to 12 US, baby. That's a $12 right there. Mish, thank you. That's awesome. I got some euros, yo.
Thank you for your time and patience. Hello.
Yes,
Yeah, it's just Mr. Lucas that I'm talking with.
this is.
Yeah, I got information from my Treasury Department that you want to go ahead and do the verification process today itself.
Yeah, but I don't think he knows what he's talking about because I asked him if he takes Bitcoin because I wanted to pay in Bitcoin. He said yes, but then he didn't want to take my Bitcoin. He wanted me to transfer it to my bank, which takes 5 to 7 business days. So I'm confused what to do because I don't have
What?
8,120 in my account. I only have like 5,000 in my bank. So
Okay.
either I send you guys
See,
1.12 Bitcoin to your account and call it good and be done with it, or I could pay 5,000. It's your call.
sir, see, you need to go ahead and clear up. If you don't want to go ahead and clear up standing amount, okay, you need to go ahead and cancel up the warrant. If you have to $5,000 in your credit card or in your
Yes.
debit card.
Yeah, but he said he's going to send someone to my house, but then he didn't say when. He said they're going to send
In
someone to my
your
house
credit card or in your debit
with
card.
paperwork. My credit card. But he said he's going to have. He said I can't pay you guys because someone's going to come to my house with paperwork.
So
So I just need
you
to
are
know
not
when they're
paying.
coming. Just need to know when they're coming. I can get the cash and then I can give it to them when they get here. I don't.
No,
I
no.
just want to get this
You
done.
you you listen. You are not paying this money to me today.
That's what he
You need to
said. I
go
know. He said I'm
listen
paying.
to
Someone's
me.
coming to my
Okay.
house with paperwork,
Listen.
and I asked him when.
I'm
I just need to know when because
I'm
I'm leaving
asking.
in 3 days.
Listen.
I'm listening.
Are you done?
Yeah, I'm listening. You guys don't make any sense though. I'm confused.
You yourself talking won't help you. It won't have a new solution. You know.
Well, obviously you talking isn't helping because I'm not getting any information here.
Because I'm the one who will give you information, and you are not shutting up your mouth.
Do it. Go. I'm listening.
Today, You need to go ahead and convert your funds into the form of an electronic federal tax payment voucher.
I don't know what
Once
that
you
means.
convert that, just listen to me.
Okay.
When you need to go ahead and convert it, you need to update it in your case file number. Once you update it, you need to keep those vouchers safely with you because I'll be making an appointment for you for tomorrow.
What
2 of
vouchers?
the officers
Like
gonna
what vouchers are you talking about?
listen to me. Do not interrupt what I'm speaking. I'll give you fair enough time to speak up and rest your question once I'm done. Okay?
Okay.
Once you go ahead and update the voucher into your case file number, we will be going ahead and generate a cancellation number for you. And then tomorrow, like
He
I
said
told
that
you,
I
we'll make an
call the police.
appointment.
So he said that I call the police to cancel my arrest warrant. He said you need to cancel your arrest warrant. So I said, what do I do? Call the police? And he
You
said
need
yes.
listen. You need to go ahead and cancel the warrant by yourself, but you
That's
need to
what I'm
update the
saying.
voucher into
So
your
do I
case.
just call them and say, hey, cancel it?
Yeah, call it.
Okay.
Call them up
Okay, I'll call up
and
after.
see what and see what happens. Call them up.
Okay. So when I'm done here, I'll call them and deal with that, I guess.
Hey, call them.
Okay. What a fucking asshole. That guy really pissed me off. Hey Mish, thanks for the $10. Thanks for the $12. That was fucking awesome. Hey, let's call him back. That guy was a dick.